Hello guys, and welcome to another Allure Beauty Box unboxing. This one is the on-the-go essentials set. So in this one, we have got a little note that thank you for your purchase thing. Is there a second card? There is not. So in this one, we have the Pixie Skin Treats Rose Oil Blend, Nourishing Face Oil with rose and pomegranate oils. So, rose oil nourishes and rejuvenates. Pomegranate oil is an antioxidant and is vitamin-packed. Rose geranium oil tones and balances. So that's pretty cool. This Luxe Oil Blend is a rich source of botanical oils and vitamin E, helping to preserve and nourish. Skin rejuvenated and suppleness is improved. They worded that wrong. I'm like, skin rejuvenation and suppleness is improved, I think, resulting in healthy-looking, luminous skin for all skin types. Use AM and PM daily. Massage 2 or 3 drops onto cleansed, toned skin. For extra hydration and glow, add 1 to 2 drops to your moisturizer before applying. So... oh, wait, there's 2 things in here. What the hell? Oh! Okay, so the dropper comes outside the bottle. Interesting. Oh, like, do you store it that way too? Or once it's in use, it lives in there, I would imagine? Like, that's so strange. Good suction, though. But, yeah, so, not a bad little bottle. So we've got that. I'll put that back in for now. I think that's the first time I've seen it stored outside the bottle on one of these, actually. We also have the Oribe Flash Form Finishing Spray Wax, little sample size. Shake and spray onto dry hair. Use hands to style until your look takes shape. Finish with a final mist to hold your style. Okay, so it's basically like hairspray, essentially, I think. Not 100% on that. I may have to read up a little more on that guy first. We have a little sample of La Roche-Posay Broad Spectrum SPF 100 Anthelios Melton Milk Sunscreen. Interesting. Should probably use that one sooner than later, though, because the expiration date is like this month. So, since it's a little itty-bitty thing, can probably go through that pretty quick, but interesting that they would throw it in with an expiration date that close to when they sent it out. From, what is this? Botanic Beauty, we have Butter Lip and Cheek Balm, which I think I have one of these already, so this one may go on eBay. This one, I'll double check and make sure they're the same color. Pretty sure they are. Like, you can kind of see through there. Because I don't want to break the seal if I do end up deciding to sell it. But yeah, so there's that guy. M61 Powerful Skincare Power Glow Peel 1 minute 1-step exfoliating facial peel. Quick glycolic and salicylic acid exfoliating peel with vitamin K, bilberry, and chamomile. Concentrated treatment. There's 3 treatments in here. After cleansing and drying the skin, wipe the pre-soaked towelette over the face, neck, and décolletage while avoiding the eye area. Do not rinse off. Follow with moisturizer. Recommended starting 3 times a week and building up to every day. Interesting. Mildly terrified of it, but interesting. We have a little itty-bitty sample size of the Moroccan oil treatment for all hair types. Since it's so small, that won't go real far, admittedly. But to use, you apply a small amount throughout damp or dry hair and style as usual. Warning, use product only as directed, avoid contact with eyes, for external use only. Really doesn't tell you much about it beyond that. So, it doesn't say how much is a small amount when it comes to this, because all hair products are different with what a small amount necessarily means. Like, is it a dime size, a quarter size. Like, there's different amounts. Is it like a few drops? Ooh, okay, so we have from Benefit, They're Real, Beyond Mascara, in... Is it black? I hope it's black. I would assume they would send black. I love this stuff. I have some of this already, but I'm keeping this because I frigging love this mascara. It's one of my absolute favorites that exists in the world, so happy to have more of that, even in a sample size, because honestly, the sample sizes still last me plenty long. And then finally, the last thing in here is from Floss, and it is my new favorite lip gloss in the color Yule, which is a different color than what I had before, because I had one in LAX before. So, ooh, okay. So this is like a slightly pink tinted gloss instead of being like a more opaque one like LAX is. Okay. Alright, that's actually real pretty. I'm gonna enjoy that. Looks more like a lip oil than a gloss, but okay. That's cool. I guess Yule would be Y-U-L. What airport would that be, though? Does anyone know? Let me know down below. But yeah, anyways, that's what is in this particular beauty box. So hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.